Now, if you search in Google, audiogram application, yan, or audiogram tools, yan, you can find getaudiogram.com, headliner.app, nadali. So, pwede ninyong itry tonight, i-apply natin ang headliner.app. Pero, basin gusto mo mag-explore sa other applications, no, na adiri, headliner number 1. Yeah, very good. Wave number 2, Animoto, Lumen 5, and Capwing, no? So, naadirigi ko nila na ay mga pros and cons. Sa pros, a range of features including text animations and options. Pero, ang cons niya kay limited free plan feature. Now, for headliner, pwede kang maka-upload up to 15 minutes na audio, no? Up to 15 minutes. And then if ever mo ingon na siya nga dili na ka pwede maka-create kay magbayad na ka, pwede pod nga mag-create ka og new account, no? Create ka, mag-add og new email para maka-start na pod ka og himo. Okay? Of new audiogram. Now, for us, in our experience, the best audiogram tool is headliner.app. This is very easy to navigate. All you have to do is to create an account here. So you can follow me. Yan, you go to headliner.app. Yan, paste na ko diri. Then you create an account. So click lang ninyo ang sign up and then you log. Okay? Sige. So everyone, please click on sign up. Then you can continue using your Gmail account or Google account. Yan, continue lang. Okay? So, ani na pa. Magulat ko ha. Continue. Next is, so you can choose manual. It's either manual or automatic. Diri na, diri. Transcribe audio or video. So you can use headliner for transcription. Di ba na atay transcription activity? No? Pwede po mo mag-download from YouTube and then i-convert ninyo siya into MP3 and then try to transcribe. I-upload lang ninyo diri and then magtanawa kung unsa ang iyahang capacity. Okay? And then, pwede po mo mag-upload diri automatic caption sa video. Yan. So, for the manual audiogram, so you have here the options. So, you can put directly to YouTube, no, for your final output. Pwedeng diretso siya save sa YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Twitter, no? So, I'm not sure. Show me the old options. Click. And then, you have up to 10 lang pala, no? So, you can upload up to 10 minutes na, na audio. Then, upload the audio file here, no? So, you choose your audio. You locate the file. Yan. And after that, which podcast are you working on? Yan. So, skip lang, pwedeng skip. And then, free promo sets, no thanks. No thanks. And then, continue. Yan. And then, do not forget to turn on the caption. Turn on that one. Yan. Tapos, next lang. So, be ready with your background katong inyuhang thumbnail. Ako ang murag wala pa din na download. Download sa nako. Ang thumbnail kabi nga akong gihimo. Na ba to dili? Or na to sa Pikas? Wait lang. Murag na dili sa Pikas. Okay, so again, ay nangutana unsa daw ang activity. So mao ni siya. At first, create ko og kanang logo and then ingon ani lang services. Tapos upload ang imong picture. Yan. And then go back to headliner. Next ka lang. Pagkahuman nimong turn on sa captions. Next lang. Yan. So, ito yung mga templates na pwede niyong magamit. Yan. So, since we have a background already, so pwede siya yung simple ano lang. Pwede po ingon ani no kanang background nimo ang video. Okay, so ingon ani ang template. Tapos ingon ani itsura. Yan, so mamili mo dira sa inyong gusto nga background. So, example, sa ako ang gusto. Kanang naay background nga mag-play sa likod or kani daw. Dili ko ani ganahan. So, mamili mo dira ha, sa inyong gusto. When or click na akong plus. Simple ano lang. Kung wala siya sa okay. Kung wala katong plus lang kung dili ka gusto adto nga mga templates. So diri yan pwede nimong i-adjust ang player. Yan. Tapos kani mo nitong mga styles sa imong waveform. So, pwedeng ingon ani kana, i-click lang nimo. So, pwedeng kana pod, no, ang imong player. So, mamili ta diri. Kasi ko. Yan, ano lang sa naka-arrange man niya. And then, manaman ka sa imong wave. Yan, i-X na lang ni. Tapos, i-upload ang background. Upload lang, na kay makita dirang upload. Kaya sa taas, di ba natin image, video, GIF, upload. Okay, so click lang ang upload, and then choose file. And then, this is my background. Okay, so, kana. Na dira. Tapos, pwede na nimong i-arrange ang player. Yan. So, makita kag space na pwedeng ma-play, no? Pwedeng i-play dito ang imuhang text. So, pwedeng dira, butang ang player, and then ang text na diri sa baba. Okay? But you can arrange this one later. And this is the color, no? You can also change the color of your, player. Yan. So, if it's light, kung light ang background, you can change the player into dark para klaro siya. Yan. Tapos, X lang. So, nandiyan na ang background. Then, kung ready na siya, pwede ka nang mag-create. Now, you can add text later, no? Kay automatic man to siya. Katong i-upload na to na video, na audio, automatic to niya transcribe. So, create tayo. Create, and then open Advanced Editor. Click, and then wait for it. So, mag-load na siya. Yan. Loading project. Okay. Now, as you notice, di ba, there is an automatic caption. No? So, when you play it, click lang ang play. And then, you can arrange this one. Itong text, di ba? Okay. Now, dapat i-test nimo ang iyahang caption, no? Kay dili na siya 100% perfect. So like this one, ang first kay, are you curious on how to work online? That's correct. Quick Desk Virtual Solution. So, i-change lang mo, i-edit lang. Quick Desk Virtual Solutions. Yan is the answer of your problem. So play it. So we provide the opportunity to individuals who suit the ways to attain their dreams to grasp the gems in the world around. It's a training center that offers number of relevant, yan. So, ano mo, play na po. Okay, virtual assistant courses to equip individuals in different walks of life. Yeah, and so just get in touch to our website to stay your dreams realized. So it's 90% perfect, no? Gamay lang ang mali. So gamay lang ang mali dito. So before you save, before you download the file, you have to play first and then you test the caption if it's correct. So kung may mali, and you edit here, no? Yan. Tapos, if you want to arrange that one, this one, i-click mo lang ito. Okay? Yan. Click mo lang yan. Tapos, pwede mo nang ma-arrange. So, pwede siyang one line. Okay? Pwede diha dapit, asa man ang nindot. Sa baba. Baba na to gamay. No? Baba gamay. Pwedeng one line, pwedeng two lines. Yan. Okay? Tapos, yan. Tapos, ito yung color if you want to change. Pero for me, I'm okay with this white color. And you can also apply shadow if you want, no? Lagyan mo ng shadow. Animation, pwede po butangan mo ang animation. So this is the style, nag-play siya. Yan, nag-animate yung text. And then, you have to save. So, save mo lang. Yan. So, dyan ang text. Pero, Ang player nasa taas. So, i-play daw natin. Okay, so pwede nating i-edit muna. Yan, para hindi matabunan ang matabunan ang iyang player. Kung gusto nimong i-change ang player, okay, diri sa baba, mura siyang kanina tool mo siyang video editor, no? Nasa baba ang ang mga media, okay? So, if you want to change the waveform, click mo lang yan, and then, pwede mo siyang i-adjust, okay? So, adjust it, yan. Tapos, save. Okay? Tapos sa baba, ito yung picture mo. Pwede mo din siyang i-replace. So instead of picture, you can also change it to video, no? Depende sa'yo. Tapos ito yung audio mo. You can also replace your audio, no? So ano siya? Okay? Tapos, kani siya diri, if example, ang audio file mo is masyadong kana bitaw dili kayo kusog ang volume. So, pwede nimo siyang i-adjust diri ang volume. Tapos, ano pa? Kani captions. Copy captions timeline. Okay na na. Then, show hide media. So, kung example, i-change nimo ang media file, ato lang ka dira. Okay, so, pwede nimong i-edit. And then the style, okay, you can put a background, you can put a progress animation. So, example ka na, utang nimo dira. Wala man tang progress bar naman to. Pwede man good na nimo butang ang progress bar. Pero wala siyang progress bar. Timer, no. Okay na na. Then, watermark. Okay. Siyempre, this is for a pro account. Okay, if you want. Ano lang, very simple, tool. Pagka, perfect na siya, i-click mo lang ang export. And then, export my video. So, pwedeng idiretso doon sa email mo kung ano yung account na ginamit mo pag sign up, then still the same yung makikita mo dito. But, you can add email address. This one is a destination email, no? So, if example, after ma-render yung file, gusto mo siyang isend sa ibang email, pwede din siya. And then, export na ang video. Yeah. Your video will be ready soon. So, pag ka, you cannot stop this. Pag mag-render ka na, may mga ads na mag-play nito. Hayaan mo lang yan. Because you cannot stop it. You cannot stop. Yan. So, the video is ready. Download. Yan. Preparing to download. And then, you can download the video. Yan. Pwede mo din siya idiretso sa Google Drive or sa Dropbox. Or if you want to, send it to YouTube. Then, download lang if you want to save it to your computer. So, here, I have my output. Okay.
Are you curious on how to work online? QuickDesk Virtual Solutions is the answer of your problem. We provide the opportunity to individuals who seek to ways to attain their dreams to grasp the gems in the world around. It's a training center that offers a numbers of relevant virtual assistant courses to equip individuals in different walks of life. Just get in touch your website to start your dreams realized.
Okay, and then after that, you save it, then i-post natin siya sa ating Facebook page. So, your assignment for tonight, you have to create a Facebook page. And if you can, you have to create also a LinkedIn account. Kasi minsan, may problema sa LinkedIn. Pero, balikan mo lang yan. Sample ngayon, hindi ka maka-create kasi meron siyang mga sinisend na mga verification, ganyan, or mag-error siya. Then you have to create again tomorrow. Hanggang maka-create ka ng LinkedIn account. So, punta ka lang linkedin.com. Yan, yan. Go to linkedin.com. Tapos sign up ka lang. So, LinkedIn is like Facebook, but the only difference is LinkedIn focus or it focuses on or focus more on business. Okay? So, sa business siya, ang mga client, more on LinkedIn sila. Okay? So, may mga makikitang work dito. Yan. You just go to jobs. Yan. Tapos, may mga dito, mga job posts. So, dapat you have to improve your profile, your connects. So, create ka ng account, then you have to edit a cover photo in Canva, and then i-upload mo siya dito. So, what's on your cover photo? Of course, your name, and then your title, and then your contact number, your email ad, and also the link. But this one is currently I will upload a video on this, other tools in administrative assistance. Kay medyo na na ta sa time, no? Ipang-upload na lang ako ang video and then inyuhan na lang tan-awon. So, ang importante doon, yung sa project management, and then this one, creating calendar, and also conversions, no? Convert ka ng file from MP4 to MP3, convert from doc to PDF, ganyan. So, nandoon din sa video na i-upload ko. So, for now, you just focus on this one. Create ka ng thumbnail sa Canva. And then, kung wala ka pang audio file about you, you have to save it, edit it in Audacity, and then create an audiogram. So, you just be ready with your portfolio kasi i-upload natin siya sa LinkedIn and in your Facebook page. Now, how to create a Facebook page? Yan. So, here in Facebook, i-click mo lang ang more, tapos makikita mo page. More and then page. Tapos, page name, pwedeng VA and then your name. Sample, VA Liz. Okay, so that's my Facebook page. And then for the category, pwede kang, okay, let's try if there is a service or IT services. No? Try daw na to kung na IT services. IT. Wala. Try na lang. Murag na ay personal assistant. Personal assistant is the same with the virtual assistant. For the bio, you just describe yourself, no? Kuan lang, gamay lang good na about you, and then i-click ang create page. Then after that, i-edit mo lang. I-change mo ang I have is here a sample. So you just change the cover photo and then doon mo i-post yung audiogram, no? Yung output natin, i-post natin dito. So like this, ayan, I've posted the audiogram, yan. And then I also added caption. Now, next week will be our social media marketing and management. So, tudloan ta mo unsaon pag-create og captions, no? And how to generate hashtags. Ikani kay generated na. Pwede nimo siyang i-manual, pwedeng ikaw mag-add ng mga hashtags, pero may tool na pwede tayong maka-generate ng mga hashtags. So, pwedeng ganito lang, short caption and then you put hashtags. Okay? So ang gagawin, create ng, okay, assignment ito, create kayo ng Facebook page and LinkedIn. And then doon nyo ipopost yung audiogram ninyo. Okay na ba kayo sa activity? Ay i-end na to ang klase early para ma-upload na ko tong video last night o karon na video. Yan. So basta ang himuon lang kay sign up lang diri sa headliner and then you click manual audiogram, no? Manual audiogram ba yan? Tapos i-upload ang inyong audio and i-upload pod ang inyong thumbnail. And then dito kayo mag-edit. Okay? Sige. Do you have questions?